Greetings, River Lady here, and looky what came! My live plants from Bluestone Perennials. And this is not a paid endorsement. These are some of the plants that were on my wish list. So let's crack this baby open and see what I got. Exciting. I know I ordered the Layla Yarrow, so I know she's in here. And I think there's a Sedum in here, Coraljade. Oh, I have plants! Yay, yay, yay! One of the reasons I love ordering from this company is because of the peat pots. Take this little tag off, necklace off, or whatever we want to call it, collar. And then the peat pot goes right into the ground. Okay, so this is one of my yarrows, and this is Sassy Summer Taffy. This is what she's going to look like when she blooms. All right, Sassy Summer Taffy. I'm excited. I love this. Layla. That's the song, Layla, Eric Clapton. So that is Layla, and who do we have here? Caryopteris, Beyond Midnight. This is a replacement plant. This company is really good. Again, not a paid endorsement, but I purchased Caryopteris last year, 2021, and then my yard flooded over by the retaining wall, and my Caryopteris died. And Bluestone replaced it, free of charge. Their plants are guaranteed. They're a really good company, but again, not a paid endorsement. All right, so let's slide these babies out of the way and then see what else I have. I can't remember everything that I bought, and I could look at the packing list, but I want to be surprised. This sedum might be Coraljade. Seiboldi. It has ice blue leaves with rose pink flowers. I don't remember ordering this. What do we think this is? Oh, this is a Viburnum. Yes, yes, yes. This is Mohawk. I love Viburnum, and they make berries for the birds. And this is what Mohawk's going to look like when she blooms. All right, Viburnum. And you are so excited. And look at how healthy they look. You are, oh, I got an anemone. Even though I said I'd never be buying any more anemones, this is Red Riding Hood. You had better behave. No spreading throughout my garden. You're my Coraljade. Yep, Coraljade. And look inside. You can see the little coral buds in there with the little rosettes. Oh, I'm very excited. Here we have, this is a mum, but this is not the type of mum that you get in the autumn. They spread and they're sprawling and they're beautiful. And this one is called Lavender. Daisy. This is what they look like when they're established. Just gorgeous. Who are you? You're a Siberian iris, and it's called Caesar's brother. So that's it for my Bluestone Perennials order. Watch for another video when I show what these plants look like once they've bloomed. Hopefully some of them will bloom this year. All right, that's it for me. River Lady saying happy gardening. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.